सितारे मस्ती में मैं हूं आपका होस्ट ग्लेन एंड टुडे वी हैव गॉट cheaters with us. Literally cheaters. Two big cheaters. Have a close look. I want you to look at this man over here, sitting right in front of me. I can't keep a straight face. But lady, don't laugh right now. This is my show. Right now, I have to ask you one very important question.
Yes.
Mr. Imran Hashmi.
Yes.
Why is there always heat and cheat in your movies?
That's what works, man.
What
That's
is it
what
about
works.
you?
Heating and cheating. That's what
Welcome
works.
to the show, Amy. Thank you so much for
Thank
joining
you
us.
so much.
मेरा नाम राकेश सिंह है। ऊपर वाला दुआ कबूल करता है, मैं सिर्फ कैश लेता हूँ।
Very, very original question to you. Nobody's asked you.
आपका किरदार क्या है?
आपका किरदार क्या?
So he's a character. His name is Rakesh Singh. His pet name is Rocky. झांसी का रहने वाला है. He is a failure in medical college. He's failed twice. He couldn't fulfill his father's dreams.
Right.
And at some point of time in his life, he decides to hack the system. Hacking, वो उसके बहुत सारे पैतरे हैं. He has student impersonation.
अगर इंजीनियरिंग के सीट के लिए कोई ऐसे बच्चों का एंट्रेंस एग्जाम उनकी जगह बैठ के दे देता है तो सेट है ना मामला.
He sends his own bunch of Einstein students for these undeserving rich kids who give him money and they give the examination for those rich kids and they end up getting grades and merits and they get jobs or whatever. Job placements. So there's a lot of different things that he does.
But you know, आपका कैरेक्टर जब अगर मैं ट्रेलर भी देख रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा ग्रे है.
थोड़ा सा ही बहुत
बहुत
grey.
ग्रे है. आप कह रहे हैं कि एक लाइन मुझे याद है ट्रेलर में आप बोलते हैं कि
मुझे हीरो बनने की कोई इच्छा नहीं, विलेन बनने का बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है.
खिलाड़ी हूँ, खेल रहा हूँ।
नमस्ते.
I think हम सब खुद की जिंदगियों में हम खुद सब हीरो होते हैं. जब एक आउटसाइड पर्सपेक्टिव मिलता है, someone else might say that we're doing something wrong, but I'm sure Hitler didn't think he was doing something wrong.
Right.
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 He kind of justified it to himself.
He justified everything.
Otherwise he wouldn't do it.
Absolutely.
तो for him जो चीज़ कर रहा है वो बहुत ही legit है. वो खुद कहता है कि यार मैं ये सब चीज़ें कर रहा हूँ, you're pointing a finger at me. आपका सिस्टम क्या कर रहा है?
मैंने किसी की जिंदगी खराब नहीं की और अगर मैंने कुछ अमीर बच्चों से पैसे बनाए हैं और कुछ जरूरतमंद ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट्स की जेबें भरी हैं तो कुछ गलत नहीं किया है.
But tell me, how did this film come to you? क्या था मतलब जब आपको पता चला ये फिल्म आ रहा है आपके पास and you know you're going to be opposite Imran Hashmi? What was the whole thing that was going on?
I actually didn't even get confirmed till like the last second because we were about to go on the floors and I'd been auditioning for like
Right.
2-3 months because you know nothing nice comes easy.
Right.
So I'd been auditioning and फिर finally you know लोगों को मेरा चेहरा पसंद आ गया and I'm in the film.
How do the friends react? How does आपके इर्द गिर्द जो लोग होते हैं वो कैसे react करते हैं? मतलब when you tell them that how things have progressed and all. Like when I got my first radio show, the best compliment I got is I had the perfect face for radio. So I said yeah, thank you. How did it progress for you? आपके लिए कैसा था ये?
Same, it's almost the same. It's surprise and shock. Like नहीं यार तुझे कौन देगा यार film? Like how is this happening? And plus because we can't reveal much of what my
Right,
character does
right,
as well, and so
right.
even in the trailer you can't see
Right,
much.
right.
So then तो nobody believed me. I was like, तू तो झूठ बोल रही है. You told me that you're in the film. You're barely in the film. I'm like, अरे wait, yeah, give me some time.
Patience is the key.
This is our way to get people to come to the theaters and see what I'm doing.
What I also want to know from both of you all is the fact that the film is about, you know, the education system. The film is about the corruption that's going on. One, एक करके आपसे start करेंगे. एक subject जो आपको स्कूल में नहीं सिखाना चाहिए था, स्कूल कॉलेज में, आपके हिसाब से.
Moral science.
Why?
Because it's pointless. What are you going to teach people how to be good? क्या यार? ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है. I mean, you're not going to say, okay, I must not tell lies. I must be honest. Whatever. Pointless subject.
One एक subject जो नहीं सिखाना चाहिए था.
I think a little bit of everything that every subject offered here. I think इतना information जो हमें कोई उसका application हमने आज तक हमें नहीं किया है. Things like algebra and all those things. What I mean, really, what are you going to do later on in life with that?
Too much.
Or nice,
It's scary,
nice.
sir.
Yeah, no, none of us do. But yeah, there's so much stuff that you don't apply later on.
Right.
It's just a waste of time.
And one subject starting from you जो आपके हिसाब से सिखाना चाहिए था स्कूल.
I don't know what nothing specific what should be taught, but
Right.
what the hierarchy that is there in subjects. I think arts should have got a higher place because it's a release. It helps both your right and left brain hemispheres. Mugging only helps in a certain hemisphere of the brain. Art gives that release, an element of fun, which is important for personal growth. You know, it gives you another point of view. I mean, you might think, what's the point of poetry? But it just has a very different effect on the brain and your overall development.
Very interestingly, इमरान, आप जो भी फिल्म करते हैं ना, उसके साथ एक हिट गाना जुड़ जाता है.
Hit नहीं.
अब मल्टीपल हो जाता है.
Thank you.
You've got this track record of consistently giving hit songs.
Yeah.
Now with Guru Randhawa, once again you guys have teamed up.
Yeah,
the song
for
is-
Daru Vargi.
ਕੁੜੀ ਦਾਰੂ ਵਰਗੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਚੜਦੀ ਆ ਜਦ ਕੋਈ ਦਿਲ ਮੰਗਦਾ ਉਹ ਨਾ 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 ਕਰਦੀ ਆ
दिल में हो तुम has been
Dil Mein Ho
trending,
Tum
yeah?
has been
Arman.
trending. It's a
Arman.
romantic track.
दिल में हो तुम आँखों में तुम पहली नजर से ही यारा
फिर मुलाकात.
फिर मुलाकात होगी कभी फिर मुलाकात होगी कभी
इस फिल्म में inherently जो कहानी थी, it didn't lend itself to music. But क्योंकि एक लव स्टोरी भी है फिल्म में, and we have to infuse it with moments जो जहाँ पे हम ये गाने लेके आ सकें, and it goes very beautifully with the story. So we were very fortunate that we got these tracks. Some of the tracks we didn't get to the end था. जैसे गुरु का ट्रैक भी बहुत आगे पीछे ये डिस्कशन चल रहा था कि how does Daru Vargiya fit in Fit India? So like ultimately when we got the guys on board to make the promo, और फिर हमने देखा कि probably students, yes, there's a rebellion,
Right.
debauchery, and
Right.
and there's aspirational things of you know girls,
Right.
money, cars, all those things are there.
Right.
वो उस किस्म से हमने वो एक I don't like to call it an item song.
Right.
But I think Phir Mulaqat is another track which fits into the film, which is very beautifully told through the story, and also Dil Mein Ho Tum.
But talking about poetry, very interestingly,
Nice, I like your segue.
I'm going to tell you something very, very interesting.
Yes.
A friend of mine does very good poetry.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, he's a very good famous actor. So I'm going to say a poetry
Oh
for you.
yeah, I get that.
Yeah, you get it?
I know, yeah.
It's
So
fascinating.
the limeric I used to write was an ode to a toad who sat on my commode, who took off his load and hit the road. Fantastic.
Nice one, nice one, nice
Thank you so
one.
much.
Nice.
I just can do anything, you know.
Are you
Oh my
doing a
God.
film? Are you acting in a film now, or
no,
you not?
but, they can't afford me right now.
Oh, you can't. Okay, all right, they can afford you. So
Just let me
you're
know.
sticking to what now? What
No,
do
but
you
let me
think?
know if you want me to sing for any of your films.
I will.
Just come back to me.
Forthcoming. All right.
But coming back from my alter ego, from my poetic phonetics, and now back to the normal show, I have to confess something to you.
Yes.
I once got slapped by a girl's, literally, बोल दिया अभी क्या फायदा, बोलना पड़ेगा. Girl's mom because I wore a t-shirt called Serial Killer.
Kisser.
Serial Kisser.
Yeah.
Serial Kisser. He
Killer
had
is
this
something else.
He had this Serial Kisser t-shirt
Yeah.
and I was flaunting it. But how did you know when you got this whole Serial Kisser का थप्पा,
Yeah.
आपने कैसे मतलब what was this whole
He
thing?
can't escape
There's
this
a t-shirt
question.
that I kind of flicked from my friend's suitcase.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a bunch of friends had come to Mauritius
Huh.
to watch
Huh.
my film,
Huh.
and we'd gone partying in the night, and I said, "This is the fantastic T-shirt. I think if anyone has to wear this, it has to be me," because I had a couple of films where people were just talking about
Right.
the kisses, right? The
Right.
people were so blown away and whatever. It's repressed culture. So then finally he said that no, if you wear this, I'll never be able to wear this T-shirt. So I said, it's a very cool T-shirt. I have to wear it.
Okay.
He didn't allow me. So the next morning at the shoot, the song shoot. So I called the housekeeping. I opened his door. This is a hotel. I was staying in the same hotel.
Okay.
Went inside, opened his bag, took that T-shirt, went, wore it, and I shot with it.
The fact that you can balance out everything as an actor, class, mass, everything. There are very few people who like to be stuck in a particular place and say, okay, it's only class, only mass. You just nailed everything and kept everything balanced, which is a good thing. Which I think for actors it sometimes gets difficult. I don't know. Maybe what
I think that's a very tricky audience in our country. I mean, every couple of, every 10 kilometers when you cross states, there are different cultures
Right.
and the different languages.
Right.
And it's easier making an English film because you take that universal language everywhere.
Right.
Over here, you have regional languages, you have their own cinema, you have the masses that like a certain tonality in films, you like the elite or
Right.
the upper class that loves a certain kind of cinema. It's very difficult to make a film that pitches and hopefully everyone likes.
Everybody likes it at
Everyone
one time.
likes at one time. So that is a tricky part. But yeah, I mean, we live and die and hope.
आपकी एक परीक्षा लेने वाले हैं हम यहाँ पर
क्या बात
और
Not
आप
gonna
लोगों
happen,
को आपको ऐसा करना है कि एग्जाम में कैसे कॉपी किया करते थे, कोई
जी।
साउंड निकाला करते थे,
जी।
इधर कॉफ किया करते थे या
Yeah.
तो अगर आपको जवाब पता है, you've got to just make that sound and you've got to answer. ठीक है? सवाल नंबर 1. What is the capital of China?
Beijing.
I said,
Well done. Well done. 2 चीजें जो आप ब्रेकफास्ट में कभी नहीं खा सकते.
chicken and mutton.
You can eat.
You can eat.
I can't eat it. Specific.
Hey, go yeah.
Specific.
What is this?
Which you can't eat. So they're specific to me. Then you got to say universally for people.
Interesting. इंडिया का कैपिटल कहाँ है?
हैं?
कहाँ है?
कहाँ है?
New Delhi.
New Delhi.
स्विस बैंक.
I said it.
वो कौन सी चीज है जो हर वक्त जमीन पर रहती है लेकिन गंदी नहीं होती, जो आपसे
Dust?
जुड़ी रहती है हमेशा?
Bacteria.
No, Glenn, tell me.
आपके परछाई.
Oh.
Shadow.
Shadow.
पानी का केमिकल फॉर्मूला क्या है?
H2O.
It's true.
Sorry, he said it.
I said it.
I said it.
He did.
You're supposed to say
Okay. इंडिया में 2G स्कैम हुआ था. उसमें G का फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
it's gamma or something.
Generation.
Well done, well done, well done. This is the last question.
Okay.
एक चीज जो ऊपर भी जाती है और नीचे भी आती है, लेकिन एक ही जगह पर रहती है.
Air.
You have confused the examiner 2 times.
Exactly, exactly.
The answer
It
was
could be,
staircase.
it could be.
लेकिन आपने इतना
But
मुझे
that
खुद को
could be air.
confuse किया
It could be air also.
आप वो स्टूडेंट हैं
It's
स्कूल
up,
में.
it's up there, it's down here, but it's everywhere.
तो अब समय हो चुका है ट्रू और फॉल्स का. We found out some truths about both of y'all. कुछ ट्रू है, कुछ फॉल्स है. मैं आपको कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा इनके बारे में. आपको बताना है ये ट्रू या फॉल्स है. ठीक है? तो शुरू करते हैं. Imran Hashmi is easily bored at parties and would sit and prefer being at home.
For sure true.
True or false?
For sure true.
He was an assistant director on the film called Kasoor.
I don't know the film, but he was an AD, so true.
Right, man, killing it. Imran attended Sydenham College.
Yes, true.
False.
You
I went
were?
to the college but never attended.
Imran's birthday is on the 25th of April.
Really?
Yeah.
March?
Yep.
24th, 5th, 24th. 24th.
आपने इन्होंने एक फिल्म के लिए ऑडिशन की थी. तो फिल्म नेम वाज ये जिंदगी का सफर है. ट्रू या फॉल्स?
Yes.
ट्रू या फॉल्स?
Yes, it's true.
All right. We're going to move ahead to the last part of it. We've got some truths
Yeah.
about her. Let me know if you know them. True or false?
You'll know.
Cher has a BTech degree.
BTech degree. True.
She's trained in Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi and Kathak.
True.
You know.
She's written a novel, The Leap of Faith.
False.
She was the first runner-up of the Miss India South 2007.
True.
2008.
2008.
Her birthday is on the 29th of October.
True.
No, 29th of August.
But on that note, thank you so much for giving us your time, guys.
Thank you, thank
for
you.
a very, very interesting, candid chat.
Yes, and please do go watch the film
Absolutely.
and hope you enjoyed.